Hello from Slovenia again, and welcome to the December Piggy Switcheroo premiere. Today I will do something different. I will try to go out of my comfort zone and use a lot of products to create a beautiful mixed media piece in turquoises and some blues and some goldeny shades, or how can I say, brownish. And I will play quite a lot with the texture, creating some texture, and all the products that I will use are at the end of this video and in captions, so you will know what I used, because it's a process in many steps. It's not just one step process, and that's why I maybe will let you watch and enjoy the process and pop in when I will believe that I need to. So after it dried, the texture part dried for 24 hours, I start to work with colors to create some depth with those shades and some white and paints grains, some turquoises, and of course quinacridone, nickel azo, gold from Golden, and a lot of products that you can buy on Fluid Art Co. And just playing and try to achieve what I envisioned in my head for this part. And for the final touch, I will add these little piggy pigments, and a lot of the other products among with those pigments you can buy on Fluid Art Co. Link you will find in the description box. And with those final touches, I said to myself, okay, I'm done. I like that look that the texture give to the colors, and where the piggies are, you know, they are just beautiful. If something is textured, because they shine really nice because of that. So I'm happy with the final composition. I'm happy with colors. I'm happy with depth that I got. So I will say that I'm happy. It's a beautiful abstract piece of art in earthy tones. This part is just gorgeous, isn't it? I love it. And this part looks like a stones and water. I love it. So, and now to the funny part. This is voiceover. I didn't do this painting. I wish that I would, because I would definitely sign this piece because it's gorgeous. So good job to the artist that did that painting. And here is the part that you came in. Please tell me in the comments, who do you think that it's an artist that did this beautiful abstract piece of art? Oh, and no, this stuff changed a little bit. It's not Raina. You can find all the links to all the playlists of the other artists that were part of this switcheroo, and all the names that you can choose from, all the artists' names that you can choose from to guess who did this painting that I proudly narrated. Sorry, my English. So thanks for watching, thanks for being here, and don't hesitate to tell me, who do you think this is? And check the description for the playlists and links to other artists' videos. Thanks and happy holidays. Bye.